Hi everybody, welcome back to Dashboard Studios. In this video we will cover the installation of special screws that apply only to the Festool MFT3 table with your guide rail brackets or track stars. So if you specified that you have this type of table when you placed your order, you will have received a little package with 4 of these special washer head screws, 2 for the front and 2 for the rear mounting plate. And so the idea is that they will be installed in these threaded holes on the top of the plate and grab the top of this profile on the MFT3 so that your brackets won't lean away from the table, because they've got the mounting slots so low that anything that is a little bit top heavy is going to lean away from it. So grab the tube of thread lock that came with your package for assembling the brackets in general. I'm certain that you have some left over, and just put a little drop on there and get this started right here. Just get it going and grab the other one, do the same thing, little drop there. Get this guy started in there, and then mount this on the table. We'll adjust those once this is on. So just install this in that slot, just like so. Find a comfortable spot, and you can see that there's a lot of this capability of this thing to pivot. Even when I've got this tightened, I can just bend this away from there. So the screws are going to secure that, and it's more of a concern for the rear bracket. So at this point, I can just tighten these with my fingers, and you want to just barely touch that profile, and do the same thing. Barely touch the profile. So now it still moves a little bit, right? So I'm not quite there. A little bit more. Better to start very lightly, very light pressure. So now it's solid. So let's loosen the mounting knobs and see if we can move it. The idea is that it's solid, but you can still move it back and forth. So yeah, I can still do this, so I can position it where I like, but it's not free to lean away from the table. So that's how you know you've got those things installed properly. Now, if you ever need to adjust them in the future, we have included this Allen wrench, which fits those and leaves enough room in here, the profile, to fit it in there. So that's what that's for. But initially, you should just be able to do it with your fingers. Thanks for watching.